Good morning everyone. I'm an eBay reseller and I just thought I'd share with you how I repair clicks in dresses. I've got a lovely Reese dress here, but I think she might have had a cat or a fight with a cat because there's clicks everywhere. So I've got a needle and a double-folded cotton with one knot in the end. So I'm going through the actual click, pull it through till the cotton's nearly wholly through, and then go through the same thing a second time. Pull it slightly gently, and then I'm going to go through the actual fabric, come out a bit further down, and then I'm going to pull gently, and in theory the click and the cotton goes through to the other side. There you go, it's gone. So all you do now is you pull the string through or trim it off close to the edge, pull, and that one's gone. Have a good day.